Have you ever caught yourself saying, "I'll do it tomorrow," or "There's still plenty of time. I can start later"? These words may sound harmless, but they are extremely dangerous. They slowly steal your future without making any noise. Time is the only treasure in this world that never returns once it is gone. Money can be earned again. Opportunities may come back. But time once lost is lost forever. Today's story will open your eyes and teach you why respecting time is not a choice, but a necessity. This is the story of a boy named Rashid. Rashid lived in a quiet small town where everyone knew each other. From a very young age, Rashid was known as a bright and intelligent child. His teachers often praised him in front of the class. They would say, "Rashid has great potential. One day, he will become someone important." His parents felt proud whenever they heard these words. They dreamed of a successful future for their son. But Rashid had a hidden enemy, one that did not look dangerous at first. That enemy was procrastination. As Rashid grew older, his responsibilities increased, but his discipline decreased. Instead of using his time wisely, he started wasting hours on his mobile phone. Late nights became normal for him. He watched meaningless videos, scrolled endlessly through social media, and played games until his eyes felt heavy with sleep. Every night, he told himself, "I'll study tomorrow." Tomorrow never came. His parents noticed the change. Many times, his mother gently advised him, "Rashid, this time will never come back. Please focus on your studies." His father warned him seriously, "If you waste your youth, you will regret it for the rest of your life." But Rashid always smiled carelessly and replied, "Relax, I'm smart. I can catch up later." He believed intelligence alone was enough. Soon, the day of the final exams arrived. Rashid felt nervous for the first time, but he still convinced himself that everything would be fine. When the results were announced, the shock was unbearable. Rashid, who was once among the top students, now stood at the very bottom of the class. Teachers were disappointed. Classmates whispered behind his back. Some even laughed at him. Friends who once admired him slowly drifted away. That evening, when Rashid returned home, he saw his parents sitting quietly with his report card in their hands. They did not shout. They did not scold him. Their silence was far more painful than any words. That night, Rashid could not sleep. His mind replayed every wasted hour, every ignored warning, every later he had spoken. With a heavy heart, he went to visit his grandfather the next morning. His grandfather was a respected and wise man. People from the town often came to him for advice. Rashid sat beside him and said softly, "Grandpa, I don't understand. I am not stupid, but I failed. Why did this happen?" The old man smiled gently and replied, "My child, intelligence without discipline is useless." Rashid looked confused. But Grandpa, can I not fix this later?" His grandfather shook his head slowly and said, "Time is like sand slipping through your fingers. Once it falls, you cannot collect it again." Then the grandfather began telling a story. "There was once a man named Sami Khan," he said. "Sami was hardworking and ambitious in his youth. He respected time deeply. Because of that, he built a successful company and became very wealthy. But success made him careless. He started waking up late, delaying important decisions, and wasting hours on social media and entertainment. Sammy's advisors warned him many times. They said, "You are losing your focus. Time is the foundation of success." But Sammy laughed and replied, "I have already achieved everything. I will fix things later." Months passed. Small mistakes turned into big losses. Competitors moved ahead. Investors withdrew their support. One day, Sammy found himself sitting alone in an empty office, staring at the walls of what was once his empire. At that moment, the grandfather continued. Sammy realized the truth. He had not lost money first, he had lost time. And once time was gone, nothing could save him. When the story ended, Rashid felt a deep pain in his heart. For the first time, he truly understood that later is often another word for never. That day, Rashid made a promise to himself. He decided to change not tomorrow, not next week, but now. Rashid created a daily routine. He set fixed hours for studying and limited his phone usage. He slept early and woke up early. At first, it was difficult. His mind tried to pull him back into old habits. But he remembered his grandfather's words. If you respect time, time will respect you. Slowly, change began to happen. His concentration improved. His confidence returned. His grades started rising again. Teachers noticed the transformation. His parents smiled once more. Step by step, Rashid rebuilt his future. Years passed. Rashid did not just become successful, he became disciplined. He later started his own business and became an entrepreneur known for his punctuality and focus. Young people looked up to him. Whenever someone asked him the secret of his success, Rashid always replied with the same words: "Time is life. If you waste time, you waste yourself." Lol. My friend, this story is not just about Rashid or Sammy Khan. It is about you. If you keep delaying your dreams, if you keep saying "I'll start later," remember later may never come. Start today. Respect your time. Protect your future. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs this reminder. And don't forget to subscribe to Tailies with English for more simple, powerful stories that can change your life. Until next time, value your time and keep moving forward.